In a vibrant little town in Jamaica, there lived a kind-hearted man named Mr. George. He was known for his fluffy rabbits and the joy they brought to the children in the neighborhood. Every day, Mr. George would stroll down Julius Street, his wide-brimmed hat casting a shadow over his smiling face. As he walked, he would greet each little girl with a gentle wave and a warm "Hello!" The girls would squeal with delight, their eyes twinkling like stars. Mr. George always promised them a rabbit, saying, "One day, my dears, you'll have a fluffy friend of your own." Among them was a particularly bright-eyed girl named Moy. Her love for animals sparkled in her laughter. One sunny afternoon, Mr. George stopped beside her, kneeling down to her level. "Moy," he said, "I promise you a special rabbit, one that hops higher than the tallest mango tree." Moy gasped with excitement, clapping her hands. Days passed, and anticipation filled the air. As the weekend approached, Mr. George prepared a beautiful rabbit for Moy, its fur radiant white with little brown spots. On Saturday, he visited Moy's home with a basket cradled in his arms. When he revealed the rabbit, time seemed to stand still. Moy's face lit up like the brightest sun, and her laughter echoed down the street as she hugged her new furry friend tightly. From that day on, Moy and her rabbit became inseparable, and Mr. George continued to spread joy, one rabbit at a time, along Julius Street.